All right, so how to be a successful affiliate marketer. This is going to be a step-by-step training program for you. And hopefully by the end of this video, you'll have more of an understanding about what it actually takes to build a real affiliate marketing business. The way that I teach is with free traffic, giving high quality value to people, helping people decide if a product is right for them. That's basically your job as an affiliate. You're not a salesperson. You just give out information and help people along the way. And you're passing the baton to people and saying, hey, this looks pretty cool. Check it out. Hopefully by the end of this, you'll have a good understanding of what it takes. Most people overcomplicate this. I'm going to show you exactly how this is done. First of all, you need to have a plan and you pick a product. Then we need to create a good review video. These are the three main steps. Let me show you what that looks like. So the plan of attack is we need traffic, right? And so you can either go with free traffic or paid traffic. Now, what I choose is free, and I would assume most of you like free traffic as well. This is actually the most powerful form of traffic, the way that I teach it and the way that I do it, because people are actually looking for your product and your video review. The way that we are going to put this together is we are going after free organic traffic on YouTube. We're going to make simple tutorial style videos, giving out high quality educational how-to tutorial style videos, screencast style videos. People go to YouTube and actually search for your product and review. They find your video, they watch it, and they're like, oh, this actually does look really good. And this person was really helpful. That's really cool that they took their time to make a 10, 15-minute video. They seemed like they were honest in their review. Cool. There's a link below in this. I'm going to go ahead and click that link. I'm going to pick this product up. And I know that this is an affiliate link because he told me in the description and he told me in the video, but I really value and appreciate this person that they took the time to review this product in an honest way. So they click on the link, they go and purchase, and then you make a commission. It couldn't be more simple of a process. Now, I'm not telling you it's easy, but it is a simple concept and a simple plan. It's not easy because if it was easy, everybody would be doing it and making a much money. And the part that's not easy, I'm going to give you the secret right now. The part that's not easy is the showing up daily and the grind and the consistency. That's why most people fail when trying to make money as an affiliate and make money online. They just don't have enough in them to stay consistent. They would rather come home from a long day of work. I get it. I used to be that person too. And they would rather unwind because it was stressful at work, and they would rather watch Netflix and do more leisurely activities. In reality, you can't have your cake and eat it too. You can't work full-time, have your family, and have all the things that, believe me, I understand there's a lot of responsibilities during the day as an adult, but you can't also have your leisure time and spend 10 hours a week watching NFL football or Netflix. You get to choose what you do with the 1 or 2 hours a day that you probably have in your life. Let's say you have 2 hours of free time. Most people actually have that much time. You could spend 1 hour watching Netflix or sports activities, and 1 hour you could spend in your online business putting a review video together. So that's my opinion. That's what I know works for people. And that's where people struggle, is they just don't stay consistent with it. And they give up too early because they put out a couple of review videos. It didn't make any money, and it's a complete waste of time. And guess what? It leaves more room for me and you if you choose to accept the challenge. It leaves more room for the people that are actually serious about making a real side hustle income. Okay, so we've got our plan. We're going to put out review videos on products that we choose, but we do need to pick this product out, right? So now we need to pick a product out, and I'm going to show you along the way, kind of a building in public type thing. I just put out a review video on one of my channels today, and we've already made sales. I released this video 2 hours ago, and I can show you right now. We've made $43. You can see affiliate daily stats. Here we've had 16 hops, 4 sales, and made $43. Yesterday, I made $136 from a product that I put out a review video months ago, and just boom, just hit a $136 sale. And I can show you that as well. Now, if we come over here to YouTube, let's pull up one of my review channels. We're going to type in digital marketing David, and we only have 700 subscribers on this channel, right? And we don't even get that many views. Look, 925 views. We don't even have 1,000 views per month on this channel. We are getting pretty good subscribers because every time we do a launch, my videos are so valuable to people that they subscribe and they want to see the next video because they know that they're going to get the real answers. If the product is good, they know I'm going to get my hands on the product. They know they're going to get a solid review from me and they can make a decision. They can go buy it from somebody else, which I already know that a lot of people do that because someone else might be offering better bonuses than me. That's a topic for another video. So you want to make sure you subscribe to this channel because I'll also show you how to build bonuses that people want to buy your product just to get bonuses from you. And you can see I've only released 3 videos in the last month. So this is not like a main channel of mine by any stretch of the imagination. But you can see that if we click on videos, you can see that I just released a video. We have 24 views so far in 2 hours, Cookie Dollars review and bonuses, right? Put together a nice 15-minute, almost 16-minute review. Now, the last time I did a video was 13 days ago. So basically 2 weeks ago, we did end up getting almost 400 views on that. And we did pretty well on that launch as well, okay? But we just now put out, so I'm not putting out, notice I'm not doing this on a daily basis. I'm not annoying my email list with a brand new product and a brand new make money online strategy every single day. Now, that's how I thought that this worked years ago. But if you follow me, I'm going to tell you, don't do that, right? Promote 1 and a max of 2 products per week because you're going to be emailing your list. You can make more videos about the product you chose to promote. You want to show your list that this is the product, you picked the right product for the week, and that you're going to promote the heck out of that product. And there's so many more advantages of doing that as opposed to picking a new product and promoting a new product every single day. I don't recommend doing that. So we just put this out, come back over here into Warrior Plus, and I show you, okay, there's their $43. It's nothing crazy, but we have $4,000 that we've made in the last month in our account. And this is exactly how it works. I would expect that I'll probably make a few $100s by the end of the week. Generally speaking, if I send a few emails and make a really good review video, I will make a minimum of $200 on that. And that's worth my time because it only took an hour to put the whole thing together. I'm still making $200 per hour. Most jobs do not make $200 per hour. We can come over here, go to affiliate stats, and I'm going to prove to you that YouTube actually works. If I go over here and look at these crazy conversion rates, 33% hop conversion rate right there. But if I go to affiliate and actually go to transactions, that's the one that I wanted to go to. So transactions, it will show you that, look, Cookie Dollars unthrottled. So that was an upgrade. Cookie Dollars and then Cookie Throttles right there. They bought one of the one-time offers. So we've only had 2 customers. We've made $48. And look, this YT, that means YouTube. That means that they are going to my video over here. They're clicking on it, right? Cookie Dollars review. Right. We can go check that out. But right here, look, thanks for watching my Cookie Dollars review. They click on this and the link has a YT, a little indicator on there that says that they clicked on this, they purchased the product, and that's where we will know that these sales came directly from this direct link from my YouTube video. I made one email as well. I sent an email and I sent everybody on the first email. I like to send them to this video. I do not send them directly to the sales page in my first email. Now, the second and third and follow-up emails, I will add the sales page to the product when we come to Warrior Plus and I go to tracking and I go email, right? And we type in email right here. If I could spell correctly, and we go search, now you'll see all these that we sent an email and we made sales based on sending an email for right there. And you can see all these emails that I sent and we made a bunch of money from that. Warrior Plus is very simple because they allow you to create a tracking link and track where the traffic's coming from easily just by putting a / So you can go over here. I'll show you real quick. If we have our affiliate link right here, I'll just copy this. So copy. This is what the link would look like, right? And then all you do is put a / and you say YT for YouTube or email 1. You could put email 4 and that becomes your affiliate link. When someone clicks that link and buys, now you have full tracking and you know exactly where the sale is coming from, okay? So that's how that works. We put together a nice review video, got our tracking link, our affiliate link, put it in there and sent one email today. People came and checked this video out. They clicked on this link and they went and purchased. Does that seem simple to you? It's pretty dang simple. Now, what I want to do is go to Cookie Dollars review. I'm going to copy this. I'm going to pull up an incognito window and just see if we are actually ranking anywhere for this, right? So we'll pull up YouTube in an incognito window. We'll type that in and we'll push enter and just see Cookie Dollars review. So we have Robin Palmer. He tends to rank really high for his reviews. He just tends to rank up there. But we will come down here and start looking and seeing if we're ranked anywhere. So we are ranked right here, like 3 or 4. We are up there. There's a bunch of other people that are coming in, affiliates that are getting their reviews out there, going after the sales as well. And another fun thing that ends up happening is what's called affiliate contests, right? So if we come over here and go to this site called Muncheye, and you can see this is the product, Cookie Dollars. We click on it and then we go to our affiliate link area. You'd come over here, say, hey, I want to be an affiliate. Then you're going to go and try to get approved for that, right? Here's the sales page. They have 50 sales coming in right now. We can come over here to the JV contest, see if I'm anywhere. I am ranked number 3 on the affiliate contest right now. This affiliate contest will be going until October 13th. So we've got 5 days to really go at it and do the best that we can. But you can see 10 affiliates have already made sales. Even though this guy was ranked higher in YouTube, it doesn't mean anything. I'm ranked higher because I had upgrades, people bought the one-time offers, and I have an email list as well. So here's the contest. It's going to get more exciting as the next couple days come around. And there's also prize money to win. It just doesn't get any more simple than this strategy, right? So we picked a product, and then guess what? We created a good review video. I stand by my review videos for the quality that they are. I tell it like it is. I try to give tips and strategies because I have years of experience with the Make Money Online space and affiliate marketing. So I will give tips and tricks inside of my videos, like here's what I would do with the product and stuff like that. It just makes the video even that much better. Here's a tip for you guys. Don't just get approved for the product, but then not get access to the product, and then just go and do a review of the sales page and then do a bonus. You're not going to get that many results. You're not going to build a strong base of people that want your review video because they want to see the actual product. They want to see and get your opinion. If it's just an educational course or something like that, they want you to watch that and then come back and report to them that, you know what, I watched it. It was pretty good. Here's what it was missing. Now, it's pretty good. I would probably give it like a 7 out of 10 or a 3.8 out of 5, like whatever rating scale you want to go with. And then you could say, but you know what? I think my bonus makes it better. And then I think this is a really good product. You get better at picking good products from good vendors. I teach that in some of my other videos. Make sure to subscribe. So when you go and pick out a product, chances are it's going to be a good product because you get better at picking the products. And it's just a win-win. If you can pick products from good vendors and they're good products that are actually good strategies, then you get to go all in on that product. Instead of picking crappy products, you want to be honest, and you might end up having to tell people, hey, you know what, I'd probably pass on this product. So you give the good product review, and then you build your list, right? And I teach all about this in my community. If you come over here to my school community, you can see that inside the YouTube Affiliate Accelerator, which by the way is $97 normal price. And right now you can get in for $17 only until we get to 100 members, and then the price goes back up. So be one of the next members. This used to be 50 members like a week ago, and now we have 71 members. So we've had like 20 new people come in here very, very quickly. Come and be our next member right here. I teach you all about this, specifically in the YT Affiliate Blueprint and the Launch Jacking course. I show you exactly how to rank your video, how to pick the right products, how to put together bonuses, the entire business model. And we've got people getting results right here. You can see Gary made $700 in September on Warrior Plus. Then you come down here and see that he also made his first sale with JVZoo as well, another platform. Before the end of the promotion, he ended up making almost $80 on JVZoo. People are making affiliate commissions, coming in here, learning how to do YouTube and affiliate marketing. And that's exactly what I teach, a YouTube Affiliate Accelerator program. Come be our next member. So back to this, so you're going to build your list. Every time you put a video out there, you can either give a lead magnet as a second link, start building your list. And then better yet, the way that I teach how to build bonuses is that when someone buys something from you, in order to get the bonus of that product, they actually have to give you their email address. And so then you actually build your email list of buyers, right? And it's a very powerful thing, because then the next time you come and rinse and repeat this process, you pick out a product, you create your review video, then you go and email your list to this video here, right? And then you get views on that video. People really start getting to know, like, and trust you. And then they start buying products from you. And then you just rinse and repeat the process. You promote a product, create a review video, and email that new video to your email list, and you make sales. The last thing I want to say in this video is that people overcomplicate this all the time, even gurus. There's no need to overcomplicate this process. Just pick a system that works and repeat it daily. And that's exactly what we do here in the YouTube Affiliate Accelerator program, which, by the way, is $97 per month. You can get in for just $17 only at the time of recording this video. But if you're watching this weeks down the road and the price is back up to $97, I apologize for that. This is only a very temporary sale that I am having until we get to 100 members. Hopefully you got value from this on how to be a successful affiliate marketer, a step-by-step solution for you. Go out there and start building a real business online. Thanks for joining me, and I'll see you in the next video.